Right, news now from Manipur, and first what's happening in the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court will be hearing a batch of pleas on the Manipur situation, including the one by a ruling BJP MLA challenging the High Court order on issue of scheduled tribe status to the Meitei community, and a PIL by a tribal outfit for an SIT probe into the violence that rocked the northeastern state, which led to the deaths of dozens of people.
That's right, and the situation on the ground, violence is being brought under control. Additional forces were rushed there to the northeastern state, and now we report on the fallout of the violence, with thousands of families displaced, and they're now trying to find some peace in relief camps. Take a look at this ground report by Ratnadeep Chaudhary.
We are outside the iconic Ima Kaithal, or the Ima market, one of Asia's biggest all-women market, and this market was also closed for a couple of days because of the curfew. But today, in the morning hours, in several places in Manipur, particularly in Imphal and Churachandpur, relaxation in curfew has been given so that people can go and buy essentials and medicines, food items. In fact, this relaxation in curfew, this partial relaxation has been given for only a couple of hours, and that too in different timings in different places. Here we are outside Ima market, and you can see people have come out to buy essentials, but there is huge presence of security forces, central security forces guarding the area. People are really, trying to buy essentials very quickly because after many days they have got this opportunity to actually buy essentials for them. This situation, the turmoil that Manipur has witnessed, has affected people not only physically with loss of life, many people injured, but also economically and emotionally. We'll try to go and speak with some of the people there. You can see massive security presence here. A lot of people have come out. We can try to talk to some of them. Sir, एक minute. बहुत दिन के बाद थोड़ा रिलैक्सेशन मिला है कर्फ्यू में, तो how people are looking at it, what are the essential things you are trying to buy now?
I'm already buy some vegetables, and my wife is vending, sitting inside.
So your wife is one of the vendors in Ima market. So
he is selling kabok.
So how has her business got affected?
It is very much affected. 2-3 days we cannot earn. We cannot receive any money from the public.
So for the common people, the kind of violence which has happened in Imphal or in Churachandpur, how do you see it? What do you want now?
I want to peace and harmony among the communities. It is okay now.
So there you are, this gentleman clearly perhaps trying to say what many people, many common people in Imphal and even in places like Churachandpur and other areas of Manipur would like to say, that they want peace, they want their normal life to get restored so that they can carry forward with their normal life, so that there is a sense of peace which is what they're looking for. The central government and the state government has brought in a lot of central forces, and the Indian Army was called in. In fact, the Indian Army is still conducting flag march, area domination in areas which are vulnerable, and trying to bring people out who are holed up. The main concern remains that people from the valley, particularly from the Meitei community, many of them are holed up in Churachandpur. In the similar way, many of the Kuki people, the people from Kuki community, are also holed up here in Imphal. So from both communities, people would want their near and dear one to reach home, and perhaps that is one area where the government will have to look into how people can safely reach their homes from the vulnerable areas.